Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I'm dressed like an orange, and that can mean only one thing. We're talking vitamin C. Now, I love vitamin C. I think it should be a staple in your skincare routine year round. Bring back some radiance, luminosity, get your glow game on point. However, do you often find that during the summer, you're glowing to the gods, the vitamin C is doing exactly what it should be? But come those cooler winter months, suddenly your vitamin C just isn't cutting it. Your skin becomes dull, becomes lackluster. That's definitely something that I experience, but it doesn't have to be the case. Like everything in skincare, sometimes we need to mix up the type of vitamin C we use, depending on what our skin needs. And I want to share that with you in today's video, so you can make sure that you're radiating that glow, no matter what time of the year it is. Sit back, relax, let's talk why my vitamin C isn't working. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know what your current go-to vitamin C of choice is. So sound off in the comments section below and share with me your vitamin C before and after stories. Honestly, I read each and every one of your comments and I love to hear from you every single day, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. You can probably tell from my voice that I have got a bit of a cold going on at the moment, and yeah, so I apologise for that if the sound sounds slightly different today. Honestly, nothing can get in the way of me fangirling about skincare, and I certainly wasn't going to miss an upload, but if you notice a slight change, we can just blame it on the cold. Whatever your thoughts on vitamin C, if you enjoy this style of content where we can take it to the next step, look under the bonnet of a ingredient in skincare, let me know by giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. It's honestly the best way of supporting me as a content creator, so from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So today's video really was inspired by the launch of the new vitamin C by Paula's Choice. This vitamin C 25% plus glutathione clinical serum, I think is what they're calling it, has gone viral online. Just about everyone's fangirling about it, saying how amazing it is. And this really did get me thinking. Now, this video isn't sponsored, so huge disclaimer, I don't do sponsored content here on the channel. I'm also not the biggest fan of Paula's Choice. I don't often have a lot of nice things to say about Paula's Choice. I'm not a fan of their price point, and I think sometimes, I don't know, their products just didn't work for me personally. However, even with those brands that I'm not the biggest fan of, they're going to have some holy grails, and I think this new serum from them could honestly be one of them. It's really inspired this video today, and I'm going to talk a little bit about some alternative options later on. So the reason why maybe we feel that our skin is a little less glowy and radiant in those cooler winter months, there's so many reasons. You know, from the changes in temperature and environment around us, the fact we spend more time indoors, often with the heating on, which can zap the moisture from our skin. We might find that our diet has changed. Just a lot can be going on. Of course, the level of sunlight can also have an impact. And so whilst your vitamin C is still trying to do its best for you in those winter months, we might just need to mix it up, try something different to get that glow game back on point. And for me, I think one key thing has changed, and what I would encourage you guys to explore too, and that's switching from a pure form vitamin C, an ascorbic or an L-ascorbic acid, to a vitamin C derivative. Now, the reason I say this is vitamin C derivatives are often a bit like the unsung heroes in skincare. They deliver some phenomenal results, but they're often less sensitizing than full-on vitamin C in its pure form, and they're less drying too. One of the biggest consequences of those cooler winter months is our skin becomes more dryness prone. So you're still packing on the ascorbic and L-ascorbic acid, and that's just compounding that dryness and making the situation worse. Reaching for a vitamin C derivative could actually increase the level of hydration in your skin, prevent any side effects that you were getting from that pure form vitamin C, and just help our skin along the way in winter. Of course, if your skin is dry and dehydrated, it is never going to be glowing to the gods, and this could be the #1 cause of that dull winter complexion that we all have. I wouldn't just stop there though. I think just to help that vitamin C derivative on its way, I would ask everyone pair it with glutathione. Now, glutathione is a wonderful skincare ingredient, potent antioxidant, but studies have also shown just how beneficial it can be when it comes to brightening the skin, fading hyperpigmentation, and really just giving the overall glow a little bit of a lift. I was a bit skeptical going into glutathione, thinking, is it another one of those ingredients, over-promising and under-delivering? But no, I got some wonderful results, which is why I kind of want to share it with you today. So my top tip, as we come into those cooler winter months here in the Northern Hemisphere, is check your vitamin C. Think, is it still working for me? And if maybe you're questioning whether it is, switch to a vitamin C derivative that also contains glutathione. Now, for those of you that were paying attention to the title of that Paula's Choice product earlier, they have kind of done some of the hard work for us. So the new vitamin C 25% plus glutathione product from Paula's Choice is 25% vitamin C derivative and a good dose of that glutathione. Now, they don't actually put this as a derivative in there, which I think is a shame because I think that would have really advertised it as quite a unique selling point of this product. We've actually got two different vitamin C derivatives, two of my favourites, which combine for that 25% concentration. Adding that dose of glutathione, I think this could be a really amazing winter vitamin C serum that's going to have some antioxidant power, fade your hyperpigmentation and get you glowing through the roof. Now, with this product, it also comes with a nice base formulation that's quite rich and quite creamy. And because vitamin C derivatives don't have to be in a low pH like their traditional pure form vitamin Cs do, this will be a lot less sensitizing on the skin. Again, in winter, we notice our skin sensitivity increases. So reaching for something like this by Paula's Choice, I think is a really good option that's going to just make sure that you have minimum sensitivity, maximum hydration, but you're not skipping that vitamin C. You're still feeding it to the skin in order to fade our hyperpigmentation. You know, get our skin in tip-top condition for when that summer rolls around again. I really do like this product, and I think I've only tried a tester. I've got the full size on order because it's only recently come out. But from the tester, it spreads really well, and I think a little will go a long way. Now, Paula's Choice is never the cheapest brand in the market, which is one of the reasons I tend not to reach for them. But I'm always happy to pay more if I'm going to get more, and I think this is genuinely an innovative and a great product that they've introduced to the market. If you don't want to go with Paula's Choice, or maybe you don't want to give up your pure form vitamin C completely, then you could actually go for the Naturium Vitamin C Complex. So this is a fraction of the price, which I love. If we're on a budget, this is a great option. But it actually combines vitamin C derivatives and pure form vitamin C alongside that glutathione. So this would be a great one to swap out for your pure form vitamin C for this in winter. It'll lower the amount of pure vitamin C, replace it with some additional vitamin C derivatives and give you that glutathione hit. So altogether, I think this is still a really great swap. This will definitely increase levels of hydration, reduce the risk of irritation and continue to give you that more even complexion. I really love it because of the way it's formulated, and it's, like I said, for the price point, I think this is a really, really stunning alternative to that Paula's Choice, even if they're not quite identical. One of my favourite products, if you can get hold of it, because it's always sold out because it's so popular, is this. This is the non-buzzing vitamin concentrate serum. So in keeping with that beautiful one from Naturium, this actually has vitamin C derivatives alongside pure form vitamin C and glutathione. It's got a million other brightening ingredients in here too. So again, another great option which I was loving and using every single day and getting some great results, and then it was out of stock. Now in certain countries it's back, so I will leave some links, as well, for all the products mentioned today in the description box below. We'll leave some links if you can get it. I think this is the one that I personally would reach for, but like I say, here in the UK it is unfortunately unavailable at the moment, so I wanted to give you some other options. But yeah, this definitely packs a punch, and I think hopefully with these three products that I've just shared with you, it gets across the narrative that reaching for a derivative doesn't mean you have to compromise on results. You can still get like A+ brightness from a vitamin C derivative if you pair it with the right ingredients, in this case glutathione. Before I leave you, I just want to share with you a little bit of a very affordable option, shall we say. This is the ordinary ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution. 20% vitamin C derivative. Now, you don't have the glutathione in here, but this is a really beautiful vitamin C derivative that you could definitely use in winter if you're finding that your summer vitamin C is just a bit too much for you. Maybe you're new to vitamin C completely. Reach for this. You'll get some amazing results. Yes, it doesn't have the glutathione, but this is the cheapest option on the market. And so I think if you're just looking for a straight up amazing vitamin C derivative that's going to calm, soothe and brighten the skin over winter, this is the one that I would reach for. It's a winter skin staple and amazing. It's a shame it doesn't have that touch of glutathione, but you know what, you might already have some other brightening ingredients anyway. You know, you might have azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin elsewhere in your skincare routine, and so slotting that in definitely could work. So in this video, I just wanted to demonstrate that if, like me, you feel that your vitamin C doesn't pack the same punch in winter that it maybe did in summer, maybe it's time to switch it up. I think making the switch to a vitamin C derivative, combining it with a good dose of glutathione, is the very best way to get glowing skin all winter long. This is definitely something that I've started to do now the weather's got cooler here in the UK, and my skin is loving it. If you've got another glutathione infused favourite, let me know. Sound off in the comment section below, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and glow to the gods. Take care. Bye!